We're doing Grandma.
Mom,
Give it to Joey. Give Joey a picture like that.
it's not a picture, it's a video.
Oh, God.
David, the mom.
You did it too.
Yes, he did.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, baby.
See, I'm just as bad as her. Speaking of bad, she's going to go up to love. She's going to grow up to love Uncle Steven just because he plays with her the most.
Like you. Bam.
Steven, you're like a child.
Steven's still a little kid.
I'm all grown up, apparently. I
Is she gonna fall off that chair?
Don't eat it.
Oh yeah, I forgot to blow the things off the straws.
Don't eat it.
Angel, who are you taking the video for?
Me? For myself?
Say love yourself. Hey, say love yourself.
Angel Pie, I love you.
She don't care.
Angel Pie.
Say love you, Grandma.
She's got a great smile.
Angel.
A waffle.
Hey, stop it.
She would do it with a little
Say I love you, Grandma.
Steve's the
I
closest
love
thing to
you,
a brother
Grandma.
Steve's the closest thing to a brother she has.
Why do you hit everybody? You fall down. You never sit.
Actually, if you want to be technical, Liam is the closest thing to a brother she has. You guys are her uncles. Liam's with her all the time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Ow.
You're going to fall.
Don't.
You're going to fall, Grandma.
I heard Liam had like mental problems.
Don't talk about that.
Blah, blah.
No.